So, very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all the researcher, to all the academician in this seventh international conference INFES 2027. And it's the great opportunity for us to have the exchange of our ideas. Today, my presentation is in the industry, that is the booming industry. Of course, the multidisciplinary research is the theme of this international conference. Therefore, here we will discuss about that the upcoming more and more inventions that this field is carrying to us. Yes, automation. We are understanding about the AI and now the application of the AI. Okay, artificial intelligence to invent something. What is IoT, Internet of Things, and how it is changing our human life? And you see that especially the implantable devices for all of us. So let us have the understanding of this one. What is implantable device and how the present era is now devoted for this one? Now you see that artificial intelligence and IoT, okay, make the remarkable advancement here I'm mentioning for implantable medical devices. So these are the area where more and more patent can be filed. If we have seen that in the present time, that is more people are devoted to this area, okay, because of the opportunity to file the patent. Now you see that every medical device, okay, that those who are already existing in our life can be replaced with the new device, okay, which will work for say early disease detection. Yeah, of course it will be IoT device and real time monitoring will be there. The main part of this kind of device, if you are working with the computer science, of course you are here in the team. If you are working with the medical science, say nursing, say your health science, then you are here. If you are physicist, of course you are leading the project. And if you are from the management and the social science, then also your active involvement will be there, because from the management people we need to say that whether this device is having really demand in the industry or not. It's not like that the scientist will develop the device and we will launch, we will file the patent and it will capture the market. No, this is not the real point. That whether the market has its demand or not, this should be also done by the analytics. Okay, market analysis is also very important while we are developing some device. So therefore I think that this is a teamwork will be there in upcoming days, and our eudoxia, all the our organization parts, that our R&D part devoted to this work. And I hope that more and more work we can introduce to the world. So therefore there may be the early disease detection, that is human body, it's very important. We have to see that if we can bring some more and more implantable device to detect, okay, early detection of the disease, okay, or say to give, to provide the precision medicines, that is the dose that we are giving, that is the how many drops we have to give to that patient. So exactly, if it can be controlled by artificial intelligence and the IoT for real-time working, okay, even we can use that cyber physical system there, and then you see that one automation will be there. So human error can be removed and we can move forward to the new world where we are having the large numbers of the devices with the new technology. So automation in the health industry is coming, and it is because of the IoT. And yes, the physical, that is the cyber physical system, we call it CPS, and thereafter artificial intelligence is the leader, okay, sitting in the place of the king and controlling it and everything. And this is, I think, that the mind-blowing ideas are there here, and the people can combine from different countries to find out the reality, how we can go for. So let us understanding of this IoT implantable devices, okay. So you see that these are used for the decades. That is earlier pacemaker. I have also mentioned here that recently we have also developed one pacemaker where we are using. Okay, in this January month we have published this pacemaker, and it is nanotechnology we are using. We are using IoT. We are using the automation. We are using artificial intelligence. So it's all about the multidisciplinary research. So if you are from another country also, don't worry that I am not physically in the lab, because this most of the work that whenever we are developing, it is from the different lab. That is, one is person is sitting in United States, another is in say India, another is in UK, another Germany, but you are working together. So this is cloud computing. This is cloud computing where you can collaborate with each other. We can just not only visualize each other, we can also make the changes to even the coding if you are developing for that device, for automation. All right, so we are having the opportunity. So we need to understand that what are the devices that can be developed in near future. Okay, so you see that this advantage, if you want to understand this implantable device, you can imagine one human, okay, having like that in the movies that we have seen. That is the science fictions were there if you go through the Marvel's movies earlier. But now it can be true because of the blessing of IoT, because of the blessing of, okay, that is the physical cyber system, okay, and it is say CPS system or AI. Now you see the real time, okay, data transmission. So whenever one person is having one device which is implantable in nature, we need the real time data transmission. This is very important, okay, for continuous monitoring system. So AI system is helping those who are not understanding the AI. They will say like that it is only the harmful, but we need to understand how it is useful. It is not like that generating only text and copy and pasting it to the people. Okay, this is the biggest mind I think that most of the people are doing that one. We need to understand the artificial intelligence is not for making one just a copy or text generation. It is useful for the device development. In upcoming days, the different device you have seen the car automation industry. Okay, so, say cyber physical system and the AI is combining for automation industry in the car. Okay, automation industry in the car. So, in future, most of the car, I think that will be with the driverless. That you will have to just speak in front of your car where we want to go, and it will be truly safe in nature. Okay, already I think that so many cities already implemented that one. We can see in United States, so many cities are there. That's where that without driver the cars are now available. In China also, that for the public you can book a car and you can use this car which is not with the driver. Okay, you do not need the driver, and they are maintaining all the traffic rules, all the regulation. Yeah, harmful effect may be also there, but we need to understand that this artificial intelligence and IoT give us the opportunity for real time, okay, real time work with automation. So now I am explaining about the device development in especially in the medical industry. If you want to develop some devices, you need to generate your idea. You have to find out that what are the devices are there, but they are costly, they are durable, not that much durable, and we can enhance their durability. Okay, and these are useful to mankind. So these are very important point. That is how we can support the humanity, how we can grow the humanity. This is very very important. So say automating the decision making. So now this is very very important. That is the AI driven predictive models are now being developed. Okay, it is of course it is in initial stage, because the decision making is the final stage. Say you are going with the deep learning, and you are entering into, say you are entering into the machine learning, then deep learning you are going. So decision making, that is predictive model, but it is also developed in so many countries. They are doing their work, their research. So the people, those who are here, I would like to request you to take part in this kind of industry. Okay, so reducing the need of, okay, manual interventions. That is earlier you see that any machines that you are using in your laboratory, this is needed a manual intervention. You have to go for step 1, step 2, conduct this work. But now I think that with this already inventions. These inventions, we are having the great opportunity that it will go for decision making, as well as it will reduce the manual intervention. So we can say like that, these smart devices are sensor, these are the wireless communications, and of course AI algorithms to collect, okay, to collect the real time data, to analyze and to give it to you. Now AI powered innovation in AI, say IoT based implantable, okay, devices, how it can be. So now you see that, for example, we are taking some examples. So we would like to inspire you for this kind of innovations. And I would like to share here that the Indian Institute of Innovation and Science, specially working on this kind of devices. So AI-driven personalized health monitoring. Say you want to develop your work in health monitoring, whatever your discipline. So don't think like that, I was working in this discipline, how I can come to this one. So we have to see the market demand. Now the market demand is all about the new devices in the health sector, because all the devices in the health sector will be replaced by someone. If you are not replacing, then someone will replace this one, because all the devices are with the older technology, and this technology are now, it is becoming, that like that, and are not that much useful, because the speed, okay, we are now becoming so much faster, the people need the exact and accurate result. So in this medical industry there will be revolution, definitely the revolution already started. So health monitoring, say for example, AI enabled glucose monitoring system, say implant for the diabetics. So we are also looking into that one. So its impact will be that it will reduce the human error, okay, whenever, and earlier also to prevent, okay, say hyper or the leading for the better disease management. So disease management is an, I think that the new area, it is coming to all, and therefore the people from the different industry will enter. These are the opportunities for our future, we need to understand. Okay, so now you see that analysis for early disease detection. For example, if we are going with, say, machine learning models, okay, to detect the abnormal heart rhythm. So in this case we can say one normal person also, those who are say, in the sense that yes, I may have the problem, so they can go with this kind of devices, so that early detection will be there. There will be real time monitoring, there will be definitely the signal from your body, from the implantable device. So before heart attack, the people will come to know that yeah, he may go for some heart attack or like that. So therefore then AI enhanced, say, neural implants for the brain disorder. We know that this is now really rapidly that's expanding. That's the people's having due to maybe the stress, due to maybe the so many things. I think that our that one day our my colleague and our director Kannur sir also sharing that, sir, on stress we have to work, that people are facing. Really, I'm also, I have seen, I am also realizing that so many researchers, so many academicians, even in the academic industry, they are facing the so much stress, and this is unwanted. So we need to develop, you need to develop some new and new devices which can work in this one. Okay, so I think that the neural implants are one of the most promising area, okay, to identify the brain disorder even in the early stage, so that we can work on it. Okay, so like that neural link, and it will have the restore function, okay, of the paralyzed patient. This is very important. Why people become paralyzed? Because so many nerves are not working properly. Okay, so therefore you see that in this neural, okay, neural say network of the human body, if we can develop so many devices, then we can help the specially able people, we can help specially able people. And this is a great opportunity. I would like to share that just recently in this month we have published one patent that is for specially able people. And if they are not having their vision, they are not having the eyes, they are blind, then I think that this concept will be useful for them. And we have developed, okay, one navigator, AI based, okay, AI based navigator, IoT based device, so that they're using say new technology from our team, and they can use it even they are blind people. So therefore I am sharing that we are having the great opportunity. We have to just enter and don't think like that it's too late. No, it's the early stage that everyone starting their research in this part. So autonomous say drug delivery system is another part that I can share with you, that artificial intelligence and IoT implantable drug pumps can be the revolution in this industry. So it can analyze the blood chemistry, okay, that's your body chemistry, and especially the components of the blood, whether it's changing the drug whenever it is necessary, and how to deliver the drug. So it will ensure the precise doses in the proper way at with the real-time monitoring. Okay, real-time monitoring. So this will reduce the side effect, improve the treatment efficiency. We need to understand here. So if you are keeping one nurse also, okay, if your patient is suffering from some diseases, so do you think like that the nurse will go with the on time and with the precise measurement they are giving the dose to the patient? These are big questions. Okay, we are suffering, and we are spending more money. Okay, we are spending more money. So this is one big area where in future some robotics industry will develop, and it will give the really precise medicine to our family. You will buy that kind of very cheaper robot in your home, and you will just give the command, and they will give you the necessary injections, they will give you the necessary doses, and it will be with the automation that is no one say other people require. So this kind of okay, the automation in the health industry, in the robotics, will give us the I think a new insightful okay support to our life. Then you see here that key benefits of the AI IoT device based on the implantable devices. So yes, it can do the continuous health monitoring. Okay, if we are using this one, it will give us the continuous monitoring of the our health. Secondly, the automated adjustment. That is because it is AI powered, and therefore it can go for okay, if your body is changes, some changes are there, some improvements are there, some to reduce okay, some medicines like that, so it will work automatically. Okay, it is an automation industry, and therefore I think that the doctor visit will be lower down with the that application of this kind of devices. Then personalized treatment plans, and AI will customize the therapy based also individual say patient data rather than the generalized protocol. So if you see that nowadays we are based on the generalized protocol, but it will be customized very soon. Okay, very soon it will be customized. That is no doubt the disease may be the same, the difficulty will be the same for the people, but person to person it will vary. Person to person we need the customization, and in upcoming days it will be there. Okay, so that is it will be not like that the same medicine for different kind of people. Okay, different kind of people, those who are suffering for one disease. So person to person, the in future it's unbelievable customization in the medicine industry, it is coming. Okay, it is coming, and therefore according to your age, according to your health situation, okay, though say some person is suffering for example I am sharing say fever. Okay, so now what is there that we are having one medicine, you can go to the shop and you are taking the medicine and you are taking it for fever. But now upcoming days there will be AI, there will be automation, that you have to just enter, you have to seek, and the medicine name, the personalized or a customization in the medicine will be there. It's like it seemed to be like dream for us now today, but in upcoming I think that it will take maximum of the 5 years to have this one in this industry. Okay, so also it will increase the patient autonomy, and yeah, of course you see that they need not to go for more hospital. Okay, they need not to go for more hospital, and it will give them the good health. definitely. So now the challenges and ethical consideration, these are very important while you are developing this kind of device for patent. Okay, we have to see that data privacy and security risk, and you need to cover this one, because if you see that it is a continuous data, and of course real-time data is there, and if that cyber security problem will be there, if someone is hacking this one, then it can create the problem. So therefore we have to develop in that way. Then AI decision making, okay, AI decision making will be there. So here the challenge is that AI algorithm make error in the diagnostic problem. So if it is there, so we have to verify it numbers of time, large numbers of time. And therefore if we can add here the solution like that, the human oversights and the hybrid AI model, I think that this will be useful. So in while we are developing the device, we should not yeah, automation will be there, but we should not nullify the presence of human. And I think that in that case we can have the support. Then ethical, of course, ethical and regulatory concern, we have to see that if we are developing this kind of device, this is maybe really blessing for the people, and maybe dangerous, very dangerous for the humanity if somebody, a wrong person is developing. But what we can say here, that AI is booming, IoT is there, okay, and that is cyber physical system also entering, CPS is there. So therefore we should be in the industry, we have to take part in the industry, and we have to careful also that some people should not misuse this opportunity, okay, should not misuse, because we have to be very ethical in nature, because it can be blessing, it can be blessing, as well as it can be, you know, that earlier you have seen like a Spider-Man movie, and you have seen that what was happening, okay, if you have gone through the series, and they are showing that different things. So this is reality now. Earlier science fiction, now this has become reality, because these are developing, okay, we are developing, and therefore please consider the ethical term, and do not work only for money. If you are working for money, you can develop so many dangerous devices which will actually harm, and it will help the other that's unethical people. So we have to take care of this one, okay. And therefore we are in our triple ISC, in our Eudoxia Research Center, in our Eudoxia Research University, we have, okay, some projects, those who are ethical in nature. So if you want to join this project, make sure you are coordinating with us, and you are having the great opportunity to become the inventor with our team member. Then biocompatibility and long-term safety is another part. Okay, challenges are there, and we have to use the advanced biomaterial. Okay, biomaterial. So we need to use this kind of things. Okay, and then you see that it will be useful for long time. For long time. And now you see that this is another important, that is future prospects of AI in implantable IoT device. So I have already mentioned that the neural interfaces are, so for the brain machines, okay, brain machines, I'm not explaining too much, but this area is very big. In upcoming year, that is the brain wave, how it will work, how we will control our brain waves, how neuroelectronics will work, and whether we are moving towards the immorality. Yes, I'm sharing, that is the big researches are going on. I do not know that. As I have seen now, I think that it can be possible. It may be possible because the innovations are in this level. So human will stop the death. I think that in upcoming days, and this may be possible within. I think that even one institute, you have also seen, they have already demanded that they have already developed like that. I do not know that what is the reality of that one. You can Google it, you can see that one, that human immorality by one organization. This is a foundation, and they have said like that. And even the billion, that is the billionaires, they are already booking their seats after their death. They want to keep their body, and they want to revive. So head, that is the 10th spur, and by use of AI and IoT, I do not know that the concept, how much, whether it will get the success or not. But we are happy that the research is going on. Okay, research is going on, and yes, of course, it will open up the new opportunity for more and more invention. AI powered regenerative medicine, and you know that regenerative, okay, medicines are now become popular. So you can see you can implant the device that stimulate the stem cell growth for tissue repair. Okay, so these are coming in upcoming days. And digital twins in healthcare, this is very interesting part. Digital twins, it's very trending, and therefore I'm sharing with you that AI models now being created and personalize that digital version of the patient. Okay, digital version, that means, you see, earlier what was doing we are doing that, we are having one patient and directly we are adding that medicine to that patient. We are, okay, injecting that things. We are seeing that how the patient is responding. But now there will be that, we call it digital twin. So there will be one digital version, that is, it will scan your body and it will keep that digital that version, and the medicine digital version will be there. And what will be the outcome, what will be the output, okay, how your body will react, we will see first digital pill, then we will go for physical. It's like that dream, it's like that the amazing. But really digital twins already develop in the healthcare system, and therefore so many advanced, okay, advanced level, that medical center, they are using this one digital version of the patient. So you see that the patient now, if they are under a long term surgery or long term treatment, they need not to be in the hospital. They will be at their home. Once they will visit, then their digital clone will be taken by the hospital and they will start working on it. Okay, so I think that, like people facing from paralysis, the people they are from long term, the disease like that, so they will get the support and integration with the 6G network. Yes, the ultra fast, real time, and AI diagnostic with this 6G. Yeah, of course, the 6G network. That's it's everyone is just speaking about this. Let us wait. I think that India is also using now 5G technology, and yes, 6G network will be there, and already the satellites and the works, these are going on. So coming towards my final slide, that is the conclusion. Again, I'm sharing that imagination is more important than knowledge by the genius Albert Einstein. You see that if you will not imagine, these are all whatever the inventions I have shown and the opportunity for the new invention, that is, you are from the science background, technology background, biotechnology, social science, humanities, nursing, we have to work together as a team. And why not we are taking the leadership? My question is that one, that why we are giving that one person to take the leadership rather than everyone should take the part in this revolution. If you are spending your time by criticizing AI or IoT, then we are not on the track. We have to understand like that whenever computer introduced, so many people are making the arguments whether computer will be good or bad or whether it is useful or not. But the fact is that those who are learning the computer today, they are using and again developing AI. I do not know that in future that after 10 years, maybe after AI there may be something another intelligence will be there, okay, after artificial intelligence. So we have to be part of this one. Okay, we have to be part of this one. And the application of AI and IoT based implantable device, okay, I'm again sharing implantable device, is now open up one new era. Okay, it will give you the real time monitoring and predictive disease detection with automation in your treatment. The solution is also automation, and you see that it will use the technology, that is the ongoing advancement of the artificial intelligence, robotic, and bioengineering. Okay, bioengineering, of course, it will support the healthcare system, and it will be personalized. Very soon we will see that personalized medicine, and it will take only just a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, to develop that medicine by the use of artificial intelligence, IoT, and automation. So now the human health will get I think that more and more support from artificial intelligence and our IoT system, IoT based system. So, this is the great opportunity for all the people to start, okay, to start their research, and they can move forward, I think, to the next level of the work. So thank you everyone for your wonderful messages during my presentation. Also, I'm winding up here, and I hope that in this new year we will have the more and more invention from our side, from Team Eudoxia. Please join your hand to develop more and more devices and to file your patent. Thank you very much. Over to Dr. Sukhbinder Singh.